Hey guys, today I'm going to review the Deepcool. This is the Deepcool 360 remote control. This is what the actual kit comes with. Comes with some LEDs. Okay, comes with the cables there, the power, and the remote control. This is the remote control here. I've got another one, and I'm going to show you how you can adjust here. This is the button. You just turn your light on. You point it, just turn your light on. Do I have the right one? Yep. Turn your light on. And then from here, you can adjust any color you want on there. See that? Which is kind of neat. You can select darkness. There's all these controls here. You could do a lot. I don't even know how to work it myself, to tell you the truth. And you could play the, so, like I say, it is remote control. You can select any colors you want. But that's how you work it, and that is the, and then you shut it off like that. That's the Deepcool type setup, which is kind of neat. I have a Deepcool case, of course. But thanks a lot for taking a look.